When I hear the phrase Avengers Assemble, I get all excited because I know a bunch of superheroes are gathering, right? Well, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is personally assembling his own super team to build a super intelligence. Now, what is super intelligence? Well, it's for the most part the third tier of AI in which machines are capable of surpassing human capabilities. Now, reports are that the multi-billionaire is frustrated with Meta's work in AI so far, so he is meeting with experts, engineers, researchers, developers at his California homes to create this team of 50 that is going to surpass any other AI that you see anywhere else.
There's got to be like all like third graders. You're talking about experts
Pretty much.
who know all of that stuff.
The kids are coding nowadays.
Right.
But it's super intelligence. I mean, when I saw that ChatGPT, it's called ANI, and then there's AGI, which is kind of meets human capabilities. But he wants to build something that's going to be even smarter than us.
This is scary. I mean, I just being honest.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
It's scary, but I think it's also possible.
Yeah.
There was a time we didn't think that we could have flip phones like Star Trek, and then.
Well, there's a time when ballpoint pens were $12.
Yes, exactly, right? It's moving quickly.
Yeah.
Now, I've been tracking a few high-profile court cases. Of course, the Sean Diddy Combs trial continues, right? Now, it's the lawsuit between co-actors Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni that just made big news yesterday. A New York judge dropped the $400 million defamation lawsuit against Blake Lively and her husband, actor Ryan Reynolds. The legal battle stemmed from the film It Ends With Us that Baldoni directed and co-starred in with Lively. She accused him of sexual harassment and retaliation, and he alleged that she and her husband sought to destroy his career. Now, it's a win for Lively, but the battle is not over. Their trial is scheduled for March 2026.
When you're saying you're watching a couple of high-profile cases, I was like, you watching Judge Judy again?
Dish, dish, dish. I love her.
Oh,
She's
me
sassy.
too.
And finally, it can get you access to an affordably priced vacuum, a sofa set, or even a thick, warm chocolate cookie. But it cannot get you through TSA.
Huh?
With summer travel ramping up and the real ID enforcement in place, the Transportation Security Administration reminds flyers that your Costco card and other membership club cards are not acceptable forms of identification.
Who's using that?
Yes, people are coming because it has your picture on the back.
Oh my
right?
gosh.
But right now it's just passports, border crossing, and permanent resident cards are the only real ID items that are allowable through TSA. So not everything on TikTok is true, family. Somebody posted it on TikTok claiming that they had come through TSA using the Costco card because, again, your face is on the back.
To quote Judge Judy, are you an idiot? No, we both love Judge Judy.
We do. I never say that, so thank you for saying that for me, brother. And finally, hey, did you send us a pic of your high school senior in your holly? If not, you gotta hear this. Win one of 4 $100 cash prizes from the University of Hawaii Federal Credit Union when you submit a pic of your graduates.
Huta. Go to KITV.com/class of 2025, submit the pic, and then keep watching Island Life Live. You could be the winner.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.